Hey everybody, Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working at a Willowbrook Chrysler, 19611 Langley Bypass in Langley, BC. Here with the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Love this package. Got the blacked out wheels, everything's color coded. Does have a tow package. Also, good room in the rear. Lots of room for groceries, whatever the case may be, baby strollers. And really nicely finished inside. Has the leather with a suede interior. Does have navigation. Does have your voice command here for your Bluetooth. Nice big screen on it. Does have Apple Carplay, Android Auto, heated front seats of course. There's your driving modes down there. Lots of room in the back for family, kids, friends. And some connectivity back here as well, but nicely laid out screen. Beautiful vehicle. The seats fold flat as well if you have more gear to haul, but if this is the kind of thing you're looking for the family, come on in. 604-362-2922. My name's Sheldon. We take trades, financing on site. We can get you pre-approved and we deliver anywhere in British Columbia.